What's the formula? X minus mean divided by standard deviation. So the entire area we assumed as 1. Out of the 1, how much it cover? 0.6587. From the highest value is 0.9856, lowest value is 0.4987. Deduct, the reference is 0.4869. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence, MYSURU. I am going to handle quantitative techniques, 4th semester, Unit 6, Session 9 of BCom of theoretical distribution. That is nothing but today we are discussing one more problem on normal distribution. Already we discussed about the 7 to 8 problem. Some more problems we are going to discuss about the normal distribution. So normal distribution, what is the formula for normal distribution? Z is equal to X minus mean divided by standard deviation. What's the formula? X minus mean divided by standard deviation. We'll move on now. The average daily wages earned by 1,000 workers in a factory is 280. Average means mean is equal to 280. And standard deviation is 120. This is given. So first is more than 400. First is more than 400. So probability X minus 280 divided by your standard deviation is 120. More than, what's our X value now? 400 minus 280 divided by 120. So 480 minus 280, 400 minus 280. This is 120 divided by 120. 1. Probability X more than Z more than 1. So value of 1 you have to look after. The value of the 1 is 0.3413. As per table, value of 1 is equal to you have to look after the table given by the university. This is the normal distribution table. Whatever the table gives, according to the table number, you have to do. So 1 is equal to 0.3413. Therefore, value is equal to 1 minus 0.3413. 1 minus 0.3413, 1 minus 0.3413 is equal to 0.6587. In a factory, how many workers are? Number of workers. Therefore, 1,000 into 0.6587 658.7, say 659 workers. This should be put into format now. This is a normal distribution table. Here if you go right side, no, here no, it is a positive side, this is a negative side, infinity, is positive infinity, it will go 1, 2, 3. This will go minus 1, minus 2. So what's your answer? 1. 1 is there. It is more than. You have to make then. If it's a less than, you have to mark like this. More than, you have to mark this. So the entire area we assumed as 1. Out of the 1, how much it cover? 0.6587. 3413 cover. How much left over? 6587 into 1000 workers is 659. This is a normal distribution curve. So it's called symmetrical curve. It won't touch the end. It is if you go this side is a negative up to infinity, it goes to positive infinity. Your answer is 1. So more than you have to look after. Then second one, between 200 to 320. First one, Z1. What's your X value? 200. Minus your mean is 280 divided by standard deviation is 120. 200 minus 280 is minus 80 divided by 120. 80 divided by 120. 0 minus 0.6. It is. We'll go with once again. Numbers are 200 to 320. Your mean is 280. 200 minus 280. 80 divided by standard deviation is 120.67. 0.67 or 66. Z2 or second value 320 minus 280 divided by 120. So 380 minus is 280. 320, 80 means 320 minus 280 divided by 120, 0.33. So look after, it is 320, 0.333. So it will go like this. Here up to negative infinity, here positive infinity. First one, how much he occupies? Here, minus 67. Another occupant, plus 33. You have to make like this. So, what is plus 67 or 66? Plus 67 or 66? 0.2454. If it is 66, 67 I have taken. So 67.2486 value of 0.67 2486 value of 0.33 0.33 1293 0.1293. Add the figure 9 0.3779. Therefore 1000 into 0.3779. 0.3779 into 1000. 377.9, say 378. Hope you understand. One on negative side, one on positive side. Make this, add the figure. This one should be added. Last one, less than 240. Formula P x minus, your mean is 280 divided by 120 less than 240 minus 280 divided by 120. 240 minus 280 divided by 3. This is nothing but minus 40 divided by 120. Minus 40 divided by 120. 40 divided by 120. 0.33. 0.33 value already find out. 0.33, 0.33, 1293. 1293. This is negative. This is positive. What's your value? Minus 0.33. Minus 0.33. It is more than or less than? .33 less than. Therefore, 1 minus 0.1293, 1 minus 0.1293, 0.8707. It's therefore 1000 into 0.8707. 870.7, say 871. So less than, you have to look after this. 240 minus 280. So it is minus 40. Divided by 120. 0.33 value you find out. So entire value is equal to 1. Out of that, deduct so much is occupied. Simple. You must be about this one. You must be very careful about this. You must be careful. The entire lot is equal to 1. This is negative. This is positive. We'll move on to next problem. Number of workers was 5,000. Mean is 800. Standard deviation is 200. Getting wages rupees 1,400 to 1,800. Given mean is equal to 800. Standard deviation 200. So wages between 1,400 to 1,800. 1,400 to 1,800. Z1. What's your X? 800. Here the first one, 1,400 minus 800 divided by 200. So 1,400, 800 means 600 now. 1,400 minus 1400 minus 800, 600 divided by 200. This is 3. Then Z2, 2000, your x value is 1800. Then your mean is 1400. X mean is equal to 800. Divided by standard deviation is 200. 1800, 800 means 1000. Divided by 200, 5. 1400, 800 is 600, divided by 2 is 3. 1800, 800 is 1000. Divided by 200 is 5. Find out the value for this. Z1, 3. Value for 3, 0.4987. 0.4987. Up to 0.49, 1800. Your mean is 800. It is 1000. Divided by standard deviation is 200. 0.5. It is 1400 to 1800. 1400 to 1800. 1800 here. 800 is 1000. Divided by 200 is 5. No value for 5. Poisson distribution, normal distribution. The maximum is 3.5. 5 value is not there. 2.5. Double the figure. 5 means 5 value. Z2, 5. 0.4928 into 2. 4928 0.9856. So 0.9856. Put it in the graph now. Positive infinity. What is the first value? First value is 3. First value is 3. Second value is 5. 3, 5. Both are there. 3, 5. What is the highest value? 0.9856. What's the value for 3? 0.4987. From the highest value, deduct the lowest value. From the highest value is 0.9856, lowest value is 0.4987. Deduct, the reference is 0.4869. Number of workers is 5,000. 4869 into 5,000 workers. Into 5,000 workers. So this is 4869 into 2004 34. So that's the highest value we got. Then percentage of ages above 2000. Percentage of wages above 2000. So apply x minus mean. Mean is 800 divided by standard deviation is 200. More than, what is the x value says? 1000 minus 800 divided by 200. This is 200 divided by 200. This is 1. Find out the value of 1 here. 1 is equal to 0.3413. 3413. Minus infinity, positive infinity. Your value is 1 more than. Therefore, 1 minus 0.3413, 1 minus 0.3413, 0.6587 into number of workers 5000 into 5000, 3293 or 94. So more than this side, infinity, infinity. I took the 1000 now, okay. Now, below 1200, below 1200, x minus mean is 800 divided by standard deviation is 200 less than 1200 minus 800 divided by 200. This is 400 divided by 200. It is 2. Find out the value of the 2 here. 2 is value of 2. 0.4772. 0.4772. 1 minus 0.4772. 1 minus 0.4772, 0.5228 into 5000, 2614. So here's the percentage. Percentage 2614 divided by 5000 into 100. 2614 divided by 5000 into 100. 52.28 percentage. Regarding the last one, here's the percentage. 3294 divided by 5000 percentage into 100. 3294 divided by 5000 into 100. 65.8, say 66%. He asked the percentage. See the question? He asked the percentage, that's why. 2434. No percentage. First one, second two are percentages. I have done the percentage for second one. I did the percentage for third one. Then the average balance is 480. Standard deviation is 160. So mean is 480. Standard deviation is 160 over 600. P x minus mean is 480 divided by 160 more than, what is the first one, over 600 minus 480 divided by 160. This is P x z more than, this is 600 minus 480 is 120 divided by 160, 0.75. Find out the value for 0.75. 0.752734 value 0.2734. 2734. Number of workers are not given. Put into format. So what's your value? 0.75. It is over above. So therefore 1 minus 0.2734 value left over, 1 minus 0.2734, 0.7266. No, they're not asked the percentage. Now, between 400 to 600, between 400 to 600, Z1 mean, here x is 400, your mean is 480 divided by 160. This is minus 80 divided by 160. 80 divided by 160 minus 0.5. What's a 0.5 value? 0.1915. 1915. Now, second, Z2, 600 minus 480 divided by 160. This is 120, 160. 480, 20, 160 divided by 120. 120 divided by 160, 0.75, positive. Value 0.1915. 80 by 160, 80 divided by 160, 0.5. 0.5 is 19. 0.7575 is 0.2734. Value 0.75, 0.75 to 0.75 as per the table. I as per the table 0.75, 0.2734. Put in the figure now. What is the first value? Minus 0.5. What is the next value? Plus 0.75. Add. So this is 0.1915. Second value 0.2734. Add the figure 0.4649. You must add here. If you come on the left side, if you come on the right side, both the answers should be added. If you come on the one side, out of one that should be deducted. If you come on the left side also, it should be deducted. If the both the comes on the right side, from the highest value, lowest value. If the both the comes on the left side, from the highest value to lowest value. Number of workers are not given. So hope you understand. Last problem. The average cash inflow 500, standard deviation 60. Given mean is equal to 500, standard deviation is equal to 60. What is the first one? More than 560. 560. Apply. P x minus 500 divided by 60 more than 560 minus 500 divided by 60. This is 60 divided by 60 is equal to 1. Value of 1 is equal to 0.3413. 3413. Negative, positive, the value is 1 here. It is more than one value, more than 0.34. Number of workers are not given. Then second one, less, we can go to next one. Less than 420. So P x minus 500 divided by 60 less than 420 minus 500 divided by 60. So 420 minus 500 is minus 80 divided by 60. 80 divided by 60, 1.33 minus 1.33. The value for 1.33, 0.4082. Value 0.4082. Therefore, 1 minus 0.4082, 1 minus 0.4082, 0.5918, 0.5918. So this over. We'll put it to format now. Minus infinity, positive infinity. What's your value here? You got minus 1.33 somewhere. It is less than like this. This over, this 460 to 540, between 460 to 540, Z1. So 460 minus your mean is 500 divided by standard deviation is 60. So this is minus 40 divided by 60. This is 4 divided by 6. 0.67. Value 0.67.2486. Then Z2 540 minus 500 divided by 60. This is plus 40. 0.67, 0.2486, negative, positive. What is the first one? Minus, this is minus 0.67. Here, positive 0.67. So, 0.2486. 0.2486. 0.4972. 0.4972. So if both the figures, one on left side, one on the right side, both the figures should be added. Don't deduct from the one. If you come on the right side, deduct from the one. If you come on the left side, also deduct from the one. Last one. More than 680. So, x minus, your mean is 500 divided by 60 more than 680 minus 500 divided by 60. This is 180 divided by 60, 3. Value of 3 is 0.4987. Therefore, 1 minus 0.4987, 1 minus 0.4987, 0.5013. Put into format. This is your normal distribution table. Negative infinity, positive infinity. Your value is 3 here. Assume that 1, 2, 3. So it is more than If it is less than left side, more than right side. So number of workers are not given, no percentage is asked. All the 4 we have got. More than 680, we have solved. So we have solved about 4 to 5 problems this session, and hope you understand. So we have completed the portion of 6th semester and this one. So you go through in the next session. I will tell you which subject, which chapter I am going to hand. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session. If you have got any doubt, we can ask in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.